In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automate Webflow with Airtable using Make. To get started, open your web browser and go to Make. Once you are on the Make dashboard, take a moment to confirm you are in the correct organization or workspace. This matters because templates, connections, and scenarios are saved inside the workspace you are currently viewing. If you manage more than one workspace, switching to the right one now will save you time later. Next, look near the main navigation area on the dashboard and click the highlighted option that takes you into the area where you can build automations. In Make, automations are often called scenarios, and this is where you will connect different apps and define what happens when data changes. After that, click the next highlighted option on the screen. This action moves you further into the setup flow, where you can start from a template instead of building everything from scratch. Using templates is a helpful way to learn because it shows a complete working structure. You can then customize it to match your Webflow site and your Airtable base. Now click the next highlighted option. As you do this, pay attention to where Make is guiding you. Each click is narrowing your choices and bringing you closer to a template that already includes Airtable and is designed for automation use cases like creating, updating, or syncing records with another platform. Finally, click the highlighted option that brings you to the Templates page filtered for Airtable. You should now see a collection of ready-made automation templates that use Airtable as a key app. From here, you can choose a template that matches what you want to automate between Airtable and Webflow. As you pick one, make sure the template aligns with your goal, such as publishing items, updating content, or syncing fields, because that will reduce how much editing you need to do later. Once you have the Airtable templates in front of you, you are in the right place to proceed with setting up the exact Webflow and Airtable connections for your automation. That covers everything you need to know.